Welcome to the LOETB How-to Series. My name is Bernie and I will demonstrate how to customize features to suit your preferences in the Immersive Reader on Office 365. Located on the top right hand of the screen are three customizable options. The first is the Text Preferences button. When you click into this, it shows you 4 different ways to change the appearance of the text on your screen. The text size option lets you increase or decrease the size of your text to suit your own preferences. The increase spacing button allows you to increase the spacing between words, which can be helpful for some readers. There are 3 different font options, so you can choose the one which you prefer. And finally, themes allows you to change the background color of your screen to suit your own reading preferences. The second button here is the grammar options. This syllables option will break words up into their syllables, which might make learning words easier for some people. Just below then are the parts of speech options. So you can turn on the different parts of speech, such as nouns and verbs, and they'll be highlighted in a different colour. And this is useful for people who are learning English. The final option above is the reading preferences option. The first option within this then is line focus. So when you switch that on, it will highlight 1, 3, or 5 lines at a time. The picture dictionary, when switched on, allows you to get a visual of a particular word when you click on it in the document. And the translate function then allows you to translate either a word or the whole document into a different language. And there's a lot of language options available here. We hope you found this demonstration useful. Don't forget to check out the rest of our videos in the How-To series.